Kia ora, my name's Tubby Moses and I'm from Aipara. Worried about water because, you know, filling up, getting someone to come out here and fill your tank up. It's not, you know, it's not affordable for every whānau, and I'm talking about myself as well. Oh, primo for big whānaus. It will help out a hell of a lot for water costs, that's for real. Prior to getting this tank, I've had to fill my other tank heaps more than this one. Oh, bloody good. No stress here. Quality is good, it's perfect, it's awesome. Pressure with this tank is way, way better, way faster. Without water, you're not gonna live, are you really? Puna wai ora, water is life.